Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are making biscuit balls. Super easy. So let's start. So we need biscuit, condensed milk, cream, melted chocolate and cream cheese. So first we need this biscuit. I am using this biscuit. You can use any biscuit. So let's make a biscuit dough. Now I'm adding cream and condensed milk. Now mix it. The dough is ready, so now let's make a ball. Wow, the balls are ready. Now let's make a topping. First I'm adding cream. Now cream cheese. Now condensed milk. The topping is done. Now I'm pouring. Chocolate. Wow, look at this. It's done. Now let's check. Yummy! I hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.